Wait, what? This is not the kind of lasers I was talking about. It is kind of fun though. Hey everyone, thanks for joining me here in the studio today. If we haven't had the pleasure of meeting yet, my name is Jake Pack, and today I'm going to show you a product that is really going to give your space some insane dimension. So have you ever just looked at your project and said, ugh, something here is missing and I really need to jazz this area up a little bit? Well, I'm here to assure you that it doesn't take a lot to add a major impact on your project. So to put your little mind at ease, today I'm going to share with you the show-stopping product called Lazer Line. Oh, so if you're like me and you favor going to concerts, I'm sure you've had that sudden moment of seeing lasers shooting through the air and you thought, ugh, if only I could freeze time and put these on my office project. Well, my little dreamer, what if I told you you can absolutely freeze time and bring this fun atmosphere into your design space, minus all those random moments of being absolutely blinded? So what's the catch? Well, Lazer Line is an amazingly simple product designed to give your space that real wow factor that you've been dying for. Designed as a very minimal half-inch width channel, this product is designed to shoot across the room faster than the speed of light. Or maybe it's slower since you can actually see it. Anyways, so with this minimal turnbuckle that attaches from one end of the room to the other, the minimal low glare and dot-free aluminum tape is incredibly flexible so that you can have flexibility in field to mount at different angles and even different height elevations. Alright, so how fun can we truly get with this product? We're giving you an option to do any standard color temperature ranging from 2400 Kelvin up to 4000 Kelvin, and with the option to even do tunable white from 2000 to 6500. But we don't want to stop the party there. Please let your design creativity run free, as we can offer a static color such as red, green, blue, amber, and we can even do RGB. It's kind of important to note that RGBW is only available in the uplight source at this time. So how far can we truly run this product across the space? Well, that's really going to depend on which output option that you decide to go with. If you're specifying the 3 watt per foot, you can expect to go all the way up to 60 feet, which would only require you to power from both ends. And if you're specifying the 5 watt per foot option, then you can expect to travel up to 40 feet, which also is going to require powering from both ends. So I know what you're thinking, well, where exactly am I going to use this? My honest answer is, heck, anywhere. This product is very minimalistic, so if you really do just want something to add a little bit of playful feature to your design, why not throw it in an office space or even a main lobby? But don't let that shy you away from using this even as your general illumination in the space. Or perhaps you have a client that wants to have a function of changing their space dynamic. Specify the indirect RGBW uplight and direct static white light so they can have the ability to transform the atmosphere as they see fit for events or simply just for fun. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. This is exactly how you can use this product with a beautiful recessed into drywall product also from PureEdge called the TrueLine 0.5. Each of these products are similar with profile so that you can really make the light look continuous across multiple planes, going down a wall, transitioning across the open air of the room. Talk about dimension, huh? So now that you have all this amazing creativity and ideas, what are you waiting for? Get out of here and go specify Lazer Line on your next project. But don't forget to hit up your local CTAC rep if you have any questions at all or want to see a sample of the product. Thanks so much for joining. See you next time.
Be sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss another CTAC video.